What's up guys, welcome back to another quick video. This is Alex, and today I'm gonna actually go over something real quick. Before I tell you what it is, please if you like my content, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down there, subscribe if you haven't done so. It'll help out the channel a lot, and if you want to check the affiliate links, it won't cost you anything extra, but it'll help out the channel a little bit. But with that said, let me tell you about this real quick. Y'all remember the little short that I did a few weeks ago about the Bucklos fork that I had on the accent, and when I told you that the accent was tilting to the right, and I thought it was the fork, but a lot of when I replaced the fork, it kept on doing the same thing. So the next step was to actually replace the headset, because that was another concern on it. And also a lot of you responded with the same thing here on YouTube and also on the Facebook pages that I posted this. A lot of you told me it might be the headset, so I did. I replaced the headset. I went ahead and removed the fun headset, the top and bottom cup. I left the cap because why not? It looks good, but the actual, what was it? I think it's this one. This is the bottom cup. This is the fun one. This is the first ever headset I bought. This is the 4456, and I ended up taking it apart and replace it with the budget one with the Cedo, and that seemed to solve the problem. I guess headsets do wear out, the cups themselves, because I don't know, the bearing turns freely, but I don't know what the issue was. But as soon as I replaced the headset, the bike rode as it should. I also replaced the top one just for the sake of it. So then this is the top cup right here. This is also the fun one, 44 on the top. And I don't know, it kind of seems, I don't know if you can see it over here, but it feels like it might be a little bit bent right here. And that's not where you hit it whenever you install it. So, and then when you put the bearing in there, look, 2 fingers, you put it in, and you can get a good feel of it. It does, I don't know, the top one feels better than the bottom one. And then of course you have the this thing right here that centers it in place. And by the way, just a tip right here, the fun one, this thing is a little bit longer. If you can get a longer one, it'll work better. Trust me, I had issues with this when I had to replace it. This is the original from the Cedo, and the fun one was thicker. Once I changed, basically what it was doing, it was over tightening the headset on the axle, and I couldn't ever get the handlebars to move freely. So once I replaced this one, boom, problem solved. So again, if you put in the 2 fingers right here, you can get a good feel of it. And this one feels pretty good, I don't know. And then this one also, this is the bottom one, slides in kind of good. But also look at this right here, that's wear right there. I couldn't get this super clean, so that right there, that's probably what was causing a little bit of the issue of the bike tilting to the side. Like I said, it was not the fork. And then I wanted to see some damage over here in the inside. There's a little bit of wear on the inside. I don't know if you can see the paint gone a little bit right there. So same thing for the top and the bottom. So yeah, just know that headsets do wear out. The fork was always fine, and I knew it had to be fine because it was working pretty well on the Taft. Every time I rode the Taft, it had no issues, whatever. And once I put on the blue Axum, when I got it back, I forgot to test it on any other bike. But once I changed the headset, boom, everything back to good. So the fork, by the way, is gone. And yeah, I just wanted to give you a tip, advice. Check your bearings. If you're having trouble with your bikes, check your headset. The cups and the bearings, might as well just replace the whole thing. The risk have never given me any problems. I don't see a reason to spend $100 on Cane Creek or any other of those expensive brands, because the bearings, they end up being the same thing unless you get ceramic ball bearings inside. They're all gonna be the same. Other than that, that is gonna be it for this one. Again, if you wanna check out these bearings, this headset, check the affiliate links in the description below. Any other products, check them out. Other than that, that's it for today. Make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell on, check out my other channel, and I'll see you on the next one. See you on the trails. Goodbye. Let's ride.